Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really handy feature in Power BI that can save you a ton of time and effort: how to auto-create reports directly in your browser. Whether you're brand new to Power BI or just looking for ways to speed up your workflow, this tutorial will guide you through the whole process. By the end, you'll know exactly how to import your data and let Power BI instantly generate insightful, ready-to-use visualizations for you. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first. You'll want to open up Power BI in your web browser. Just head to powerbi.com and log in if you haven't already. By using Power BI right from your browser, you can skip any installations, which is perfect if you're working from a new computer or just want to get started quickly. Now, once you're on the Power BI homepage, the first thing you'll notice is the navigation area. Look towards the top left for a button labeled New Report. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point for creating a brand new report, and you can think of it as laying out a blank canvas for your data story. Next comes one of the most crucial steps: bringing in data. Power BI gives you a few options here. For this tutorial, let's use the option called Paste or Manually Enter Data. This method is fantastic when you have a table from Excel, an email, or even a PDF, anything that you can quickly copy and paste. So select that, and a window will pop up inviting you to paste your data. Take your time here. If you have your table copied already, just click into the first cell and hit paste. If you're entering data manually, start filling in your columns and rows. You want to make sure your data is structured. Think columns like date, sales, or region. The more complete and organized your table is, the better Power BI can help you. Once your data is in, look for the space to give your table a name. Naming your table might seem like a small detail, but it's actually really helpful. If you ever come back to this report later, or if you use multiple tables, a clear name makes things way less confusing over time. Go ahead and type in a name that describes what your data's about, maybe quarterly sales or something that fits your data. Now here comes the magic. You'll see a button called Auto Create Report. When you click this, Power BI springs into action. It'll scan your data, pick out key trends and relationships, and actually build a report for you using the visuals it thinks make the most sense. It might generate charts, summary cards, or tables based on what data you've supplied. It could take a few moments for Power BI to analyze and create your report, especially if your table is a bit bigger, so don't worry if you see a loading screen for a little bit. This auto-create feature is super powerful. It's like having an assistant who immediately knows what kind of visuals will best showcase your data. If you're just getting started and aren't sure how to choose the right charts or graphs yourself, this feature is a real lifesaver. And that's really all there is to it. From here, you can explore the report Power BI has built for you. Take a look at the visuals, see what insights jump out, and feel free to customize or tweak them as you get more comfortable. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Power BI walkthroughs. Got questions or want to see more tips? Drop a comment below. I read everyone and I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.